Ever lost hours of work because you forgot to save? Let's make sure that never happens again with this quick guide on saving your progress in Qlik Sense. First, let's talk about saving your entire Qlik Sense application from the Qlik Sense hub. Locate the app you're working on. Notice the 3 dots, or ellipsis, on the bottom right corner of the application tile. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear if you're ready to share your app with others. Select Publish. This will save your application in a shared location. You can select what stream you want to publish it to. Now, if you want to create a copy of your application for further development, select Duplicate. This will create an exact copy that you can then rename to your liking. Now, let's talk about saving changes within an open app. Whenever you make a change within your dashboard, such as creating new visualizations or modifying data connections, be sure to click the Save icon, usually represented by a floppy disk, located in the top left corner. If you made any changes to the data load script within the data load editor, make sure to save the changes by clicking the Save button on the right side of the screen. If you do not save the changes, you will lose any customization or changes you have implemented in the script. And that's it. Saving in Qlik Sense is simple, but crucial. Regularly saving ensures your hard work is preserved and ready for your next data discovery session.